Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the RekonFPV, a new 4-inch quadcopter by RekonFPV, which unlike their previous quadcopters is freestyle and not long-range oriented. In this quick video I'm going to go over its features and specs, give you my feedback after testing it out, and show you some flight footage. First of all, in terms of packaging, inside the box, along with the quadcopter, which is pre-assembled, you can find some stickers, 2 high-quality RekonFPV branded battery Velcro straps, accessories for mounting a naked GoPro-style camera on the top plate, and 2 sets of Gemfan Hurricane 4023 tri-bladed propellers. As for the RekonFPV, it is available with multiple radio receiver options and in both analog and digital versions. I'm testing the analog version, which comes with the Caddx Ratel 2 micro-sized FPV camera and the Zeus Nano VTX, and the digital version is bundled with the new Caddx Polar digital transmission system. As for the other specs, the RekonFPV features 1804 3500 kV motors, which can handle up to 4S batteries. On the center of the frame, mounted using 25.5 by 25.5 mm M2 mounting holes, you can find the AGRC Zeus 25, an all-in-one flight controller that features an F7 processor and an integrated 25 amperes BL8032 4-in-1 ESC. In addition, a 35 volts 220 microfarad capacitor is pre-soldered to the battery pads. It is using an XT30 battery connector. The battery is mounted on the top plate. The VTX is mounted on the back of the frame using 20 by 20 mm mounting holes. The radio receiver is secured underneath it. The UFL RHCP version of the AGRC hammer antenna is secured along with the radio receiver antennas on the back of the frame using this 3D printed TPU part. This 3D printed mount for securing an Immortal T antenna is included as well. As for the frame, its wheelbase is 180 mm and it features a wide X pattern. The thickness of each replaceable carbon fiber arm is 4 mm and its width is 7 mm. The thickness of the bottom, middle and top plates is 1.3 mm. The distance between the middle and top plates is 20.4 mm. In addition to the whoop style 25.5 by 25.5 mm mounting holes, on the center of the frame, you can also find 20 by 20 mm mounting holes. Not including a battery, the RekonFPV weighs 151.1 grams. Including a GNB 1100 mAh 4S LHV battery, the total weight is 242.6 grams, and including a naked GoPro 7 Black camera and the included adapter, the total weight is about 185 grams. So in comparison to the Rekon 4, the Freestyle version is first of all lighter, as it doesn't feature a GPS unit and a self-powered buzzer, and it is using an all-in-one flight controller and a lighter FPV antenna, and of course it is more powerful thanks to the 1804 motors, which in my opinion provide a great combination of flight time and performance. Using an 1100 mAh 4S LHV battery, which is in my opinion the recommended battery for this setup, you can expect between 4 to 7 minutes of flight time depending on how you fly, and in my experience mounting a lightweight action camera barely affected the performance and flight time of the RekonFPV, which is pretty impressive. Overall, after testing it out, I can tell you that in my opinion, the RekonFPV is probably one of the best options, if not the best one, for a lightweight 4-inch freestyle quadcopter, as it is well tuned, well priced, features high quality components, and also seems to me very durable, as due to a faulty battery, I happened to crash it from a height of about 60 meters and all the components were still intact. Anyway, that's going to be it for my quick review of the RekonFPV RekonFPV, and as always, all the relevant links, including the dump settings of the flight controller, are included down below. Now I'm going to show you some flight footage, so I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos. and goodbye.